I will make sure.
We're good.
Well, you gotta give us something back, a little bit back. Keep us here.
Come on.
Triple down the double down. Yeah.
She was.
Yeah, it's done nothing. Wow. It ain't done shit. Come on. Really? Just how it's gonna be. Damn it.
She was.
Last one. That was quick. Go ahead. What is it? $5? Yep. Alright. This one might keep us here for a minute. Maybe not. We want the bonus because it's the one with the big chips. Oh, damn it. We almost got the bonus. And then if you fill it all up, you get the grand jackpot. But you only have to get 6. Oh, why the hell couldn't you have done that for us? That would have been sweet. Oh my God, damn it. Fuck. It's 3 times now. It's almost filled up. It is. It's messing with our good sense.
This one.
Wager saver. Wow.
Poo-poo. I think we should try it.
Okay.
Come on.
Paid out a grand total of 5. I think that pays 15. 20, okay. Oh, nice. 5 of a kind. She said she'll at least give us our bet back. Give us our bet back plus a bet. Oh, so the Jags paid 10. $1.
Come on.
Come on, suitcases. Oh, good. I gave us a little something back. Come on, hold and spin. All it takes is 1.
That's true.
us a spin. Come on, hold spin it right here. Oh my God, I gave it to us twice. Hold spin it.
Damn.
Oh.
Ready?
Yep.
Come on, Thundercat.
Come on. I know. So that should pay something. 20 credits. Nice.
Yay.
Oh, we won 40 credits. Okay.
Heating up for us.
We hope. We need it.
Damn.
One more, man. That's all we needed there. Come on, Thundercat.
Come on, Thundercat.
Yeah.